The Haybrook Lookout is a sign of the old times for fire. And so when this goes away, we lose touch with how we got here.
This lookout just didn't appear by itself, obviously. There's a lot of work put into this thing to get it up in the air. This one was built in '64, and this is what they call an experimental R6 lookout. You know, this lookout was one that really, truly almost did not get restored.
Today, the Everett Mountaineers and the Forest Service resurrected the past, rebuilding the 1925 Haybrook Lookout Tower near Index as a tourist attraction.
This is a piece of history that we don't have anywhere else. These things are rapidly disappearing.
We're saving a part of our American history, part of our fire history, and it's part of Americana in general. Once they're gone, that's it.